Hey there, folks. This is the Kraken, and today is the 28th of September, 2025. I've been playing around today with my Unbound prompt. So it is unbound because it has so many cool things. So to start with, you put in your prompt in here, and we'll put like a glass of wine. Why not? Just something like that. And if you leave everything turned off, as you can see, everything's turned off, and you have a pinned on here. Um, when you hit the run button here, it's going to say a glass of wine. Just that simple. And then, of course, it's going to send it on through, and we should get a glass of wine over there. However, if we instead add some things down here, like style, we can do, say, comic book art. And the lighting, we can do like neon lighting, I guess. We can do for, let's see here, combine persistent, true, camera lens, separator. I don't know. Right? Something like that. You can see it does all this. You have it upend. It means it puts it at the back. Okay. We do prepend, puts it at the front. Got to actually hit the button right. See? Puts it at the front. Okay. We turn on enhance prompt, and it uses this model. Now this is currently set for the flex style, the normal language models, right? Where it does it in a paragraph form. Now it's going to load the model. If you don't have it, it's going to download it for you automatically. And now it creates a really long prompt. Okay. If you want to instead use an image as a source, you can attach and upload image to it. And you can turn on use image as source. We'll turn off enhance prompt first. You can see the difference. I'll go ahead and run it. Now it's going to do the identical thing, only it's going to use the image here to develop a prompt. And you can see here, image depicts a vibrant underwater scene featuring a large, menacing purple octopus. Okay. And I can do a enhance prompt, and it will enhance the prompt that it gets from reading what this is. Using Quinn as a vision model, by the way. Then there you go. Okay. And so what else? Negative prompts. If you're using negative prompts, no watermark, no, not safe for work, whatever, you put that in the negative prompt right here, and it goes up, and we're just plugging it into the negative side, clip text and code. And then persistence. So let's say you want to put something in there like, I don't know what you would put, a balloon. Okay, combine persistent true. We do that. And then in here somewhere, we should see a balloon. There it is at the very end. Okay. We have balloons. See? Like that. All right. Again, negative prompt, you put what you don't want to be in your image, okay? And that's it. That's all I wanted to really show. Like, how cool is that we can, and I did this show text is just to show what's coming out of it. But like, you could change, okay, I want to do, I want to do like classic tags. And so now it does it, as you can see, in those classic tags for the older models. And if you're going to use this with something like Quen, I got PixArt Quen in there, etc. All right. And that's it. I think one thing I'll change is probably under the style. There's things I would like to, maybe I'll add another one where it does more than one, because I would like to be able to choose, for example, let's say fantasy and isometric. But that's where you use Allura, to be honest. So I do have a Allura node to demonstrate at some point, but that's it. That's all I wanted to show you on this one. Real quick, short, sweet, to the point. And I'm going to provide this for you in on my Discord. So if you go to my Discord, I'll bring the Discord over. It's not in there right this second, but it will be in there. If you go over to my Discord and you go down to workflows from videos, most likely, it's going to be right down here at the bottom. All right, I'll just add it in there. You can go and download the prompt. With that, I'm out of here. You guys all take it easy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Somehow, all the bots have been swatted by YouTube, and I've actually lost like 20 subscribers in the last like 2 weeks. So we got to make up for it. So if you're not subscribed, please do so. I will see you on the next video. You guys all take it easy. Bye.